Okay, I have been waiting all day for this. So, I went to my local GameStop today just to browse around, and I happened to see one of these bad boys. An ultimate unboxing box. As you can see, $30 value for only $9.99. It's an unboxing box. Therefore, I felt I just had to do an unboxing video. So, let's see what we have in here, shall we? Usually when there's a deal like this, I'm a bit skeptical on the actual pricing. Okay, let's set this aside and we'll do this like we do in the videos. Now, mind you, this is my first actual one of these. Let's see, here we got Five Nights at Freddy's Sinister Location vinyl figurine. 1 in 12. Let's see what we got. Let's see, they always come with the paper. Always come with the paper. Oh, and hey, it's an actual check sheet too. See? I doubt I'm actually going to use it, but... Ooh, this looks nice. See? That looks real nice. I guess this is like a... Oh, sister location, not sinister location, my bad. That's pretty cool. That's going to the studio. Alright, let's see. Next we got a Five Nights at Freddy Mystery Minis plushie. Let's see here. Oh, it's so cute. That's adorable. I've never actually played Five Nights at Freddy. Just like I've never watched Game of Thrones. But let's see, what do we have next? Another Five Nights at Freddy figurine. All these mystery stuff is Five Nights at Freddy, it seems. You know? Ooh, I'm gonna be upset if it's the same one. Ooh. Thank God. It's different. That's a bit creepy. Not gonna lie, that's a bit creepy. Feels like there's only big stuff left, so... Ah! Sweet! Five Nights at Freddy Funko Racers. Now when it comes to stuff like this, where you can see what it is, I usually just try my best not to open it. Especially when it comes to Five Nights at Freddy nowadays. Because, I mean, it's pretty popular. I think this is the last one, and... Ah, cool. Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location vinyl figure. This is my first pop figurine. So, yeah. I think most of these are like $10, $13 themselves. So, yeah. And that's it. Box is empty. Huh. All in all, I guess I'm not too awful excited, but at the same time, I'm not disappointed. You know, it's a mystery box, so you never know what you're gonna get. I was kind of hoping for like something Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, or something like that, but then again, I also expected a bunch of Five Nights at Freddy's stuff, so. Lo and behold, Five Nights at Freddy. So yeah, I guess that's it for my first unboxing video. This is definitely going in the studio though. I don't know about this though. With these. But, you know, they're pretty cool. I might end up getting another one sometime. Hopefully I'll find some different stuff. But till next time, this has not only been my first unboxing video, but my first real video, actually. Peace out.